You are watching a 360-degree drag race video. That means you can change the camera angle by either tilting your mobile device or dragging the cursor on your desktop's browser window. If you want to watch the proper drag race video of these particular cars, then click on the pop-out banner in the top right hand corner of the screen or on the link below the video to watch the full drag race video. Anyway, on with the race.
Oh, good start. Beat the Merc off the line. Beat everyone off the line. That Audi got off all right. Oh no, that Merc's coming now. Is it going to? No, I've got it. I had better reactions. Yes. So then, what exactly happened? Well, the BMW did the standing quarter mile in 13.1 seconds. The Mercedes took 13.2 seconds, and the Audi did it in 13.6 seconds. Now we're going to have a rolling race from 50 miles an hour, locked in third gear, so just get up to speed. Then I'll call it in. Right in. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh yes. What happened to the Mercedes? They smashed it again. Now we're going to have a brake test from 70 miles an hour. When we hit the cone, full emergency stop to see what happens. That Mercedes is the lightest car. It's about 8.5. This is 1,900 kilos. And the poor Audi is 2 tons. How's that going to affect things? Here comes the cone. Brake hard! Brake hard! Oh! No way! It just went completely the other way that I expected.
Now check out the full video by clicking on the pop-out banner in the top right hand corner of the screen or on the link below the video.